all the squat patterns you need at least at home. So we have heel elevated on the left, and then we have aerial with the weighted goblet squat, either using a dumbbell or a bag full of books or a gallon of water. With the heel elevated, that is more quad focused, either using a wedge or just some sort of solid object under the heels. And then here we have a squat to tippy toes, which is like adding a squat raise to our squat, and then aerial working on power and explosiveness with the squat jump. Either or are good options. Pistol squat, very challenging. So if you can't pistol squat, maybe you can use a support such as a wall right next to you, something to help you get down with a little bit more ease. And now finishing off with alternating reversing lunges and curtsy lunges, not squat patterns. However, think of this as a bonus. So aerial with the curtsy lunge, now she's working on a more balanced lower body by activating the gluteus medius, minimus, which are hip stabilizer muscles, as well as the adductors, which are your inner thigh muscles. Peace.